I introduced some idioms related to dog, goat, fox, wolf and deer in the previous videos. The coming few idioms are related to ox. Chinese see ox is a hard-working animal, but also think that ox is very stubborn.
牛皮燈籠，點極都唔明。牛皮燈籠，點極都唔明。
It is a very typical
歇後語，歇後語
has two parts like a riddle, having question and answer. Or we can call it riddle phrase. You see the explanation of the character
明
It mainly has two meanings. As an adjective it means bright. As a verb it means understand. And now, you may get some feelings of this Cantonese idiom. Let me explain. Normally we make lantern with paper through which light can pass, and the room will be bright. If lantern is made of cow leather, no light can pass through. Therefore, the direct meaning of this idiom is no matter how I lit up, the lantern is not bright. Another meaning is no matter how I teach, he doesn't understand. If someone is called as
牛皮燈籠，
it means he is not smart or even stupid. For example,
正一牛皮燈籠嚟嘅，搞極都唔識嘅。正一牛皮燈籠嚟嘅，搞極都唔識嘅。
in English, it means he is really a cow leather lantern. No matter how I teach he doesn't understand. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.